Hey guys, welcome back to the Center of Gadgets. Today we will be exploring another set of cool gadgets that you can buy online. Get ready to be mesmerized as we reveal the newest technology, gadgets, and devices. Sit back, relax, and keep watching.
This is eye-opening Donya Power 14 mini electric fireplace tabletop. Portable heater 1500W black metal frame room. Heater space.
Please wait, I have more. MAGEASY Aircraft Grade Aluminum Apple Watch Ultra 2. Case, Apple Watch Ultra Case, 49mm hard shell with shock-absorbing inner bumper maxed protection eye. Watch case, Odyssey Titanium. Unlike other cheap Apple Watch series cases, Odyssey from MAGEASY are made with the same aviation-grade aluminum and same exquisite finish as Apple Watch, providing you the top-notch look and experience, ultimate protection. The aircraft-grade aluminum case with soft inner bump.
Look at this gadget. The toothbrush holders for bathrooms have super storage capacity. You can also put commonly used cosmetics and bathroom accessories to keep the bathroom countertop clean and tid. Multifunction. This multifunction toothbrush holder comes with an automatic toothpaste dispenser, making it easy to squeeze the toothpaste without waste. The 3 magnetic mouthwash cups are designed with an upside-down drain. I have another one that will make your room beautiful and charming. Projection themes. Multiple patterns. 3 projection films are included to display different patterns. Use 1 film each time. Star and moon theme fills the room with scattered stars and moon to keep the romantic, vast, starry sky indoors. The Sea Dinosaur World theme turns the kids' room into a beautiful animal world. Multiple patterns excite interest, inspire the kids, and develop their understanding of the world. 17 lighting effects, 360-degree rotation. For best projected brightness, please use in dark indoor environments. Thank you for watching the video. Take care. See you in another new video.